Alright everyone, welcome back to another video, and today what I have for everyone is my full review of the kitway band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Alright, so I've been using this watch band for a good amount of time, and I feel like I've gathered all my thoughts and opinions on it, and that's what I'm going to share with everyone in today's video. So hopefully by the end of this video, you guys and gals know if this band is worth picking up for your Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Alright? Now, jumping right in, let's talk about the overall compatibility. Then we're going to talk about the overall design. I'm going to talk about the overall fit and feel. I'm going to talk about some of the things that I like about the watch band. And then I'm going to talk about some of the things that I don't like about the watch band. Then we're going to talk about the overall pricing and availability. And then I'm going to get into my overall final thoughts and make a recommendation. Alright? So starting off here, let's talk about the overall build quality and design. Now, build quality wise, this bad boy is built out of aluminum and silicone plastic, right? So, the aluminum portion is in the quick release portion here in the quick release buttons, and then there's silicone plastic everywhere else for this watch band. And I gotta say, in terms of the overall build quality and design for this watch band, I would have to say it is top notch indeed. Okay, and the thing that I love most about this watch band in terms of the build quality and design, when we talk about the design aspects, is the quick release buttons. Y'all don't know how easy this was to put on and take off. This makes the overall installation process super easy, and I can see why Samsung went with this type of method for their modern watch bands. I can see why they did this. You know, make the customer happy and make a good product, and you'll have a customer for life, right? So the build quality and design on this one is top notch. Moving on, talking about the overall fit and feel of the band, this is another area where it's top notch as well. So you can see, I just want to demonstrate how easy the watch is to put on and take off. Y'all can see it was off, so let's put it on real quick. And I'm going to try and do this behind the camera. Struggles may ensue, but it's fairly straightforward. Just loop it through, hook it on, position it how you want it, latch it. So let me latch this in, and then you hook the extra right inside the band, and then it's on. Y'all see how easy that was? And then you just do the same thing in reverse. But talking about the overall fit and feel of the watch band, it is top notch indeed. It goes on relatively easily, and it is super comfortable. And I gotta tell y'all, I've had no issues wearing this in the gym. I've had no issues wearing this when I'm sleeping. And this is another watch that I don't take in the shower. But like I said, wearing it in the gym, getting super sweaty, haven't had any issues. So the overall fit and feel for this watch band is top notch as well. All right. Now, I just want to talk about some of the things that I like about the watch band. Then we're going to talk about some of the things that I don't like about the watch band. Then we're going to get into the final part of this video. So basically, this is going to be the positives and negatives portion for this watch band. So let's start off with the positives first, right? So as I said, the build quality and design on this is top notch. That's something that I really like. The overall fit and feel on this is top notch. Again, no issues in terms of comfort, no issues in terms of wearability and wearing it for extended periods of time, or when I'm in the gym or sleeping, no issues. So the fit and feel is top notch. And this particular watch band is available at a really great price in some really great colors. We're going to talk about the pricing and availability in a little bit here, but those are all the positives, right? Now, let's move on and talk about the negatives, right? And in particular, there's only really one negative that I've experienced with this watch band, and it is the clasping mechanism right here on the watch band. It is a little bit more cumbersome than I would like to clasp, And it is also more cumbersome because it can be a little bit difficult at times to tuck away that extra loop, okay, the extra loop material. So I kind of wish that that was easier. But other than that, that was the only downside that I've had with this watch band, okay? And as I always do for these videos, I'll put up a full list of the positives and negatives for the watch band in post. So y'all feel free to pause the video wherever y'all see the list that you want to know more about. And I'm not perfect, and I never claim to be. So if y'all pick up these watch bands and you experience a positive and or a negative that I forgot to mention, please leave that feedback down below in the comments. Only through providing our feedback can we get overall better products, right? And I know I didn't use this format for my other band reviews, but I'm trying to have a more uniform review format across the channel. So I've been slowly trying to implement this style of reviews across all my videos. So if y'all like, this is a little bit different than the watch band reviews you've been doing, I'm trying to make it a little bit more uniform, y'all. But that covers the positives and the negatives for the Kitway watch band for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic. Okay, and keep in mind, as I said in the unboxing and first impressions, this is also compatible with the Watch 5, the Watch 6, the Watch 6 Classic, okay, as well as the Watch 4 and the Watch 4 Classic. So basically, any series of Galaxy Watch from the 4 upwards, including the 4 Classic and the 6 Classic, this band is compatible with it. Okay, so there's a wide range of compatibility for this particular watch band. Okay, so moving on now, let's get into the final part of the video. Let's talk pricing. Let me get into my overall final thoughts, and let me make an overall recommendation. Now, before we talk pricing and availability, I do feel I have to disclose this. This watch band, as with all the watch bands that came into the channel for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, were provided thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. So all of these watch bands that you guys and gals see me covering on the channel came into the channel free of charge. And all I have to do, being a member of the Amazon Vine program, is use the product and then write up a full written review about my experiences and how I feel about the product and publish it on Amazon, and then these products are mine to keep. But as I always say, that in no shape, form, or fashion influences my overall opinions. On my channel, I reserve the right to keep it straight 100 around here. Okay, but I just wanted to let everyone know these products did come into the channel free of charge, thanks in large part to the Amazon Vine program. Okay, that being said, I did do my due diligence and I scoured the internet, and I did find these bands available ranging in price from about $12 all the way up to $14, depending on where you look. Okay, so, and right now, if I check the live listing on Amazon, let's go over. Yes, this is available. This particular color, which is the black, is available for $12.99, so 13 bucks. But this band also comes in more colors. So it comes in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors. So it comes in the black, which is what y'all see in the video here. It also comes in a gray. They call it official gray. And then it comes in a premium blue. This looks like a nice baby blue, right? But they call it premium blue. Then it comes in a nice icy white. That white looks good. And then it comes in a nice orange. They call it yellow, but it looks orange to me. Based on what I'm seeing on the product page, it looks orange, but they're calling it yellow. But no matter which color you decide to go with, if you decide to pick up this particular watch band, they're all priced at $12.99. My mistake. $12.99. So basically $13 if you want to make it easy before taxes. And honestly, y'all, for that price and for what this watch band offers, I can easily recommend that you guys and gals go out there and pick this one up if you're in the market for a watch band for your Samsung Galaxy Watch, especially if you have a newer one or anyone starting with the Galaxy Watch 4 and upwards. I can easily recommend that you guys and gals pick this one up. Is it perfect? No, but it does deliver an overall enjoyable experience, at least in my opinion. And honestly, I had to record this review early because this is another watch band similar to the last one that I reviewed that I really enjoyed. And I still have another watch band that I have to check out. So I wanted to record this review early so we could just move on to the next one. But best believe, right, as I said in my last video where we featured this watch band, I really enjoy this, and this is definitely one that I can see myself coming back to and using regularly. And this is the really sweet thing, because of this, I actually went out and did more research as to more bands like this, and I will probably pick up more bands like this. And if you're interested in bands like this, let me tell you what you have to search for to guarantee that you'll find watch bands in this style, right? So originally what I searched for was quick release button, because that's basically what this band has, a quick release button. But that's not the correct search term. What you really want to search for, and you'll find bands like this every time, is you want to search for one click, no gap, compatible watch bands. So one click, no gap, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 watch bands, and then you'll find bands with this clickable button that make it really easy to uninstall and install new watch bands. And I tell y'all, I'm not playing around. I really enjoyed this. I went out and I found more Nylon watch bands, and I found Nylon watch bands with the clickable button release, and I'm honestly going to be picking up more. So if I decide to keep this watch after the full review process, I'll have a bunch of different quick release watch bands to choose from. Or if I give it away or sell it, somebody's going to get a really good deal on this one with a wide variety of different watch bands to choose from. But if you're in the market for these quick release button watch bands, that's what you have to search for. Okay? So one click, no gap, and then you fill in the watch band of your choice. So in my particular case, it's one click, no gap, Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic watch bands, and it comes up. Okay? But that, guys and gals, does it for today's video. As always, I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, you know what to do. Please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. As always, if you guys and gals would like to see more videos like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below, and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Today's video was recorded using the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S10e in 1080p at 30 FPS with no external microphone hooked up. And I am using my professional studio lights here today, so please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you guys and gals think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. And remember, if this video piqued your interest and you guys and gals would like to know where you can pick up the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic for yourself, and any or all of my recommended watch bands, all my affiliated buy links for the recommended watch bands, as well as the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic itself, will be available down below in the video description. And as the name implies, when you make your purchase using those affiliated links, I do get a small percentage of kickback that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So these affiliated links that are located on across at least 85% of the channel are what I would like to call a win-win for everyone, in my opinion. Also, if you would like to see more coverage on the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 Classic, I'll link up all of my extended coverage on the Watch 4 Classic down below in the video description as well. So as always, the video description will be like a one-stop shop for you guys and gals, and you should be good to go. I hope everyone's having a great day. Hope you guys and gals are staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. Have a good one, everybody. We are out of here. Peace. And I gotta say, I'm really loving this watch face that I found on the Play Store as well. This bad boy looks fire. All right, have a good one, everybody. We're out of here. Catch you on the next one. Peace.